Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new here. My name is Michelle. I create beauty content each and every week. So of course I had to run to Dollar Tree this week and check out their new makeup section, and I found some goodies. So I'm gonna go ahead and share everything that I found this week at Dollar Tree. And of course, before jumping into today's video, I wanna remind you that you are beautiful, you are loved, and you are worthy. All right guys, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I'm gonna start with two items that I found at Dollar Tree that are completely unrelated to makeup, but I want to share because I think they're so cute and they're really good price and they feel really good quality for being at the Dollar Tree. And that is these cozy socks. And just look how cute this one is. This one has a unicorn and it's so soft. Both of these are so soft. And then this one has like the little grippies on the bottom and they're nice and long. I personally have such cold feet, especially in the winter time. My toes are freezing. So I picked these bad boys up and hopefully they could keep me warm when I'm working. And the other thing that is just really not makeup related is this little pack right here. I always pick this up at the Dollar Tree. I personally like to use it like when I'm cooking. I'll use this small one in the kitchen, and whenever I touch meat or anything, I just like to clean the underneath of my nails just because I know it grosses me out. So I just put a little soap on it, clean the bottom of my nails, and I'm good to go. I always have to have this in my kitchen. Okay, enough of that nonsense. Let's get started with the goodies, the makeup goodies. All right, let me start off with a brand that I've normally heard, which is this LA Color. I picked up a contour stick. It looks like a really good color. It does look a little bit warm, so I don't know if it's necessarily a contour stick or more of like a bronzing stick, but I'm gonna test it out for you guys. Don't worry, stay tuned. And then everything else that I picked up from the Dollar Tree was actually this brand called Be Pure, and I think I've used one of their products before. I'm not too sure, but this right here is a concealer. This is just their essentially ageless hydrating serum concealer, and it says it's paraben free and phosphate free, but it's also says this formula was made for mature skin. It's infused with serums, natural oils, vitamins, and it gives an ageless, long-lasting hydration. So I'm very excited to try this out, see if this actually works. I got the shade medium deep in the concealer, and then I also did pick up their hydrating foundation in the same shade. This is medium deep. It's very hard to see in the packaging if this is like if this is my shade or not. They only had two shades, which one was like light, fair to light, and then this one, which is medium to deep. So I'm hoping this works out. But essentially it says the same thing as the concealer. It's made for mature skin. You know, it has all these serums, natural oils, vitamins. It says it's infused with vitamin B3, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide. So all this sounds really good. It says it helps your skin feel hydrated and silky. So I'm excited to test this one out. Again, all their products say they're paraben and phosphate free. So it sounds good to me. And then I picked up their blush. This is in the shade Dahlia. It's like a very beautiful, like peachy pink color. It says a luminizing blush, but again, this sounds so good and it just looks really beautiful. So I'm very excited to try that out. I'm excited to try all of this stuff out, obviously. And then they had two powders. I couldn't pick between one, so I picked up both of them. The packaging is also really cute, like the little gold rim on everything. I don't know, it's like caught my eye. Thought it was really cute. But this one is, I picked up the shade light to medium, and it says a blurring pressed powder with hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. So it says it has a blurring effect, help reduce the appearance of fine lines and pores, hyaluronic acid, which delivers long-lasting hydration, and vitamin C, which refreshes the skin and even out the skin tone. And this one sounds very, very promising. So I want to see how this one works, because this one is like this one actually has like a color to it. And then this one is, it just says it's an infused pressed powder. This one says provides smooth matte finish and sets makeup and controls shine. This is green tea infused, which I guess why this packaging was a little bit different. So although this is like the same company, unlike all of the other products, this one does not say it's like phosphate free and paraben free. Yeah, no, this one does have parabens, but I mean, honestly, it really doesn't bother me, but just in case if it bothers you, I just want to mention that. And then the last thing I picked up was this lipstick, and this is in the shade Pink Lily. Again, it's a hydrating lipstick, same brand. It says it's infused with vitamin B5. It's a serum designed to help keep your lips hydrated. So I mean, nowadays my lips are crusty and they are dry, so I definitely could use some of that. But yeah, that about wraps up everything I picked up from the Dollar Tree this week. Stay tuned because I am going to be testing all this stuff out. Make sure you're subscribed so you can stay up to date with all my latest uploads and to see when I do upload that video. And as always, I want to remind you that you are beautiful, you are loved, and you're worthy. All right, guys, bye.